Hey Shane. Are you gonna vlog today? Are you gonna vlog today? You're being a bum. We are going to grab breakfast downstairs and then Shane's vlogging today, so I'll have more to edit. He vlogged through his bag of knives, put it back together. So they have fruit infused water all the time in the lobby. Sorry, this angle's horrible, but it is seriously such a nice perk. Makes my day every day. Oh my god, they have zucchini Benedict. Did you see zucchini Benedict?
I saw everything. I saw everything. That's what's selling me.
Teriyaki heavy.
Yes.
Fried rice. The fruit though is why I always will do any kind of buffet because I eat so much fruit. Shane feels so uncomfortable vlogging in public. Guys, can you tell that I'm obsessed with food? Yeah, I said I wasn't hungry.
You weren't hungry. I'm gonna help you with the potato though, because they season their potatoes with the get your day right.
That is really good. Mark is trying the rambutan.
Let's do it.
So you're gonna take it. Take Shane's knife.
Clean knife, please.
Please.
Thank you, Shane.
And you're gonna cut it in the middle a little through the skin.
Cut through the skin a little. Wow.
And then stop.
So easy. Okay.
Oh, you did it the wrong way.
What do you mean?
Supposed to go. Sorry.
What?
Yeah, not the long way. The too late.
Too late.
And you just crack it open.
Oh, it's the same. There's no difference. There's no difference.
Well, yeah, it is.
Okay.
And then you just eat it.
Just eat it. The whole thing is there seed inside?
Mm-hmm. Don't know.
Yeah, you don't chew. You like.
You kind of like nibble it off.
It's so good.
How good is that?
Mm.
Wait, you put it in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's eating it around the pit.
That's how I can do it. It's the perfect size. Don't swallow.
It's super good though. I actually really like that.
I love it. Yeah, that one. It's like similar to a lychee, but it doesn't have that aftertaste.
It's not, yeah, it's not as sharp as lychee. I think it's much nicer.
I tried some of your dragon fruit, Layne.
Yeah.
That was a very tasty experience.
Right?
Now, back to my breakfast.
Fighter jets. I am so full. I want to cry. I did not mean to do that.
What?
Canyons. Shane, move your head. He's jumping up.
What? Oh, let me vlog.
I love that every part of the island is like so different.
You missed it. Those are like some 7-foot waves.
Yeah, but I thought we were gonna see 20. Every side of the island has its own little charm and draw. Like this is supposed to be the big wave side. And food trucks.
Listen, this is our bonsai pipeline. We'll just get a little look. And this is why they only have the tournament chain. This is why they only have the tournament where Commissioner's absolutely right. Because I imagine it.
Yeah, I was hoping for a little bit of a bigger wave at Bonsai Beach.
One's coming in.
He caught a good one. He got tossed. Someone did a backflip off their board. Yeah, the water is stunning here. That was the shortest trip ever.
What was that called? Valley something? What's that?
We are now going to Waimea. I don't know how to properly pronounce it, but we're going on a hike to the falls. All right. No one's gonna believe it, but I'm hungry.
Oh my.
Katie just said same, so you know what? We're in this together.
If Katie's hungry, then you know like it's legit, because she doesn't eat.
Not exactly sure where we're going, but...
It looks like its face got like shot off.
Wait, where is its face?
Get it.
I really can't tell.
Thing I've ever seen. Look at me.
Who is it looking? Now we're scaring it, guys. Poor little guy. He has like... Oh no. Just a random peacock. Look at that tail. Shane bought Katie a present.
Oh, turtle!
I like turtles.
I love it. Thank you.
So this is a little bit more touristy than I was hoping for. I'm sure it'll still be pretty.
Mom and pop.
Still pretty. On this episode of driving to where we've already been,
Good burning.
we're just going in like,
We just go in big circles.
we don't know what the hell we're doing.
You guys are in
But I need a tan because look, I'm so white, I'm like reflecting.
burning.
No, he goes, Mern.
This guy's alone.
Mark's looking at the water instead of driving, kissing you all goodbye. Just dried mango in the back of a car for the whole vacation. This car is about to deconstruct.
Mine.
The wheels are about to pop off. Burn.
Mine.
There were no parking spots, so on this episode of driving where we've previously been, we are going back to Bonsai Beach or past it. It is now 1 p.m. and we are still in the car. I am looking forward to Giovanni's garlic shrimp, some Matsumoto shaved ice, and every other food truck you could possibly find.
That's what they do.
Can you just pull right up?
Update, it's 1:15 and may or may not have gone into almost like 3 accidents. Update is 1:16 and we've made it to Sunset Beach. I don't know what we're doing. Finally at the beach. My dad thinks he's Michael Phelps. And he has goggles on.
Michael Phelps, is that you?
Hey Phelps!
Michael Phelps, is that you? Wait, get up on the block.
Just fell asleep on the beach for a little, and now we are going to the Sunrise Shack to see what they have. They have some $12 teas. I don't know what that's about, but this is awesome.
This is the cutest thing ever.
Isn't it so cute?
Organic coffee.
I'm here for the t-shirts.
We're going?
Sunrise.
Ooh, I might do pineapple apple mint. I feel like Dad would like the wellness shot.
Pineapple apple.
Yeah, he would love that.
Look at this shirt.
Oh, that's freaking cute.
Oh my gosh, there's a little green lizard. Ooh, nice chain. May I have the matcha bullet, please?
What?
Oh my god, that is good.
That is really good.
It's really
What was in it? What did you get, Shane?
It was pineapple, apple, and mint.
Here's the matcha.
Thank you. Oh, it's warm. That is good. So I got the matcha bullet. It was something new on their menu, and I think Shane's juice was phenomenal.
Oh yeah, that was. What kind was it?
Pineapple, apple, mint.
But what was it called?
citrus cooler, and I got a mason jar out of it.
He ordered right. He always orders right. Because that would have been so cute. I actually stole this for a picture. Who knows if I'll use it. Now we're gonna walk back, hopefully drive to the food trucks, and I hope they're not closed because it's already like 3:15 and they close at 5. Who knows if we'll hit traffic or if there will be any shrimp left. How much would that suck?
Then we can go to my Korean place on the way
We
home.
can go to Mike's Holy Holy Chicken. I like these glasses. I'm gonna steal them one. Quick little outfit change because, you know, I'm just not fashion.
That was a great little tea stop.
I'm only a little bit. Why do I look like a bald, naked mole rat? Tell me I don't right now, though. It's like I look iridescent and bald. Just call me Rufus. What I meant to say was there is this rock that you can jump off of coming up here, and we were gonna try to do it, but time just didn't work out. Dream house right here. It's like a massive house right on the rocks on the beach. The silhouette's cool, but it kind of looks like I just have one side. Hashtag thick. This is adorable. Do you see it? Insanely excited to try this. No?
You're gonna do one of everything they have?
I don't know if I should play or focus on ordering. Are you excited, Shane? Where's your camera? One of each. He said number 3.
That's lucky number.
Lucky number 3.
This is lemon and butter. That's the spicy one.
Hot and spicy, lemon and butter. We're not messing around.
Alright, so we got our shrimp.
Hold on.
Oh, that surprised me.
That spicy?
Yeah.
You and Quinn are the same.
That got me. It surprised me.
Alright, I want to try it now. Is it that spicy?
No, it really wasn't.
That was like hiccups.
We're already on to our second plate of garlic shrimp.
Can I get a little?
Oh, you got a side of mac?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna sign the truck.
I have terrible handwriting.
Katie, the golden girlfriend. Videographer. Now I'm ready for Matsumoto's shaved ice. Is it Matsumoto?
Something like that.
I don't know how we're saying it. We keep saying it wrong. All right, now it's time for some shaved ice. And the only other time I've had shaved ice, like Hawaiian style, was in Texas actually. And it was really good, so I'm excited to try it here.
Very good.
We're all way too excited.
Matsumoto, Matsumoto.
What was that, Katie? My hair is a mess. I got that island hair going. My hair is all sorts of crazy. Oh, puppy! You know what I'm jealous of? Whenever I see people with dogs here, that means they live here.
No.
Very jealous. Damn, that line is no joke. They're just beautiful.
Thank you.
Once again, Shane orders right.
Always.
Banana cream?
No. That's good.
That's worth the wait. Probably an unpopular opinion. I may have had better shaved ice.
I loved it. Their ice cream was
Shane loved it. Yeah, their ice cream was incredible. He just gave us the best spots to take pictures. Running around, tropical rush, taking some photos by all the boards. So happy that we just found that. Today's subscriber of the day is...
Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.
No one cares.